Welcome everyone to Belinda's Country Living. Today's video, I am doing a product review of the Ramjoy 2-slice toaster. Now it's a wide slotted. I already had unboxed this. And what comes in the box is the toaster and the manual. I'm sure everybody knows how to use a toaster. But this is a white slut toaster. It has 7 settings, and that is to control how dark or how light you want your toast or bagels or whatever you're toasting. It has a blue eliminated bagel, defrost, reheat, cancel button for customizing toasting. Has a high lift, provides easy access to smaller breads, which is here. You can just lift it up to remove your thin slices. I have a toaster and mine does not have that. Your settings are here, goes up to 7 settings. It has a slide out crumb tray, which is right here at the bottom. Just slide it out, just like that. Very nice. On the bottom, you're going to store your toaster away and not on your counter. You can wrap your cord around the bottom to get it out of the way. Okay, we got that right. It's lightweight, stainless steel. And if you're watching, and if you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. And I want to thank all my subscribers and all your comments. I really enjoy reading your comments, and I do reply to each and every one of them. Again, thank you very much. So let's try this out and see what it's gonna do. We're gonna use some, I'm gonna toast some apple cinnamon. It goes. Also, I did a product review of the Ramjoy vacuum sealer. You may want to watch that video. I'll leave the link up there, the video. Just click on it, you can go watch it. Okay, let's put some of these in here. I'm gonna put this on 4.5 to 5 settings, because I do like my toast, my bagels, anything I toast. I like my things really brown. And I'm gonna turn this around so you can see the lights on the front. And that is in the cancel reheat. So let's put bagel. I guess that's a form of the bagel. I don't know. But yeah, this is what it is. I don't know what else I can, it's an extra wide slot. Bring on the bread, it says. Well, that sure looks good. I love peanut butter on toast. Well, I hope y'all are having a wonderful, wonderful day today here in Indiana. It is a very lovely day. I've got a lot of requests to do certain recipes, and I'm writing them all down, and I promise I will get to your request to do your videos. So just wait for this to pop up. Also, check out my other videos. And yeah, I'm just waiting. So when that pops up, I will return. All right, let's see what this is doing here. Now that was on a 4.5. And to me, it's my preference, is not dark enough. Gotta have some butter. So yeah, if you're interested in this toaster, again, I am not sponsored. I was reached out through Ramjoy to do a product review. I do not receive any commission whatsoever. I get to keep the product. So, I will leave the link in my description of the toaster. There will also be a link to the Ramjoy vacuum sealing machine. But yeah, here's what it looks like. So, in the meantime, I want to wish each and every one of you a very, very lovely day. And be sure to be kind. Reach out to those who are in need. And tell someone today that you love them. Because tomorrow is never promised. It's never promised. And in the end, you don't want to go lose a loved one or whatever and then regret not saying what you needed to say. That's all it is. Until the next video, have a wonderful and blessed day. And don't forget, if you're looking at this and viewing my videos, it just takes a few seconds to push that thumbs up. That's all it takes. Doesn't cost you anything. And this is not TikTok, this is not Instagram. So if you're looking for a quick video, maybe you need to go over to TikTok and Instagram, because in order to do a video and to describe how something is done, it does take a little bit longer. So that's all I have to say today. Until the next video, bye-bye.